General Manager, SMEDA, Engineer Azali, Senior Vice Chairman, PAPAM, Mr. Hiroshi Kaneki, and other members of JICA expert team, PAPAM members and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. It is my great pleasure to be here among you at the closing event of technical support to auto parts manufacturing industry to Pakistan. Getting benefits of this occasion, I'd like to thank all the stakeholders in general and target suppliers in particular for taking interest in this project and making smooth execution of project activities possible. We are also thankful to PAPAM management for their commendable cooperation. We might be able to achieve such desired result without it. All sector has remained pivotal contribution in mounting national economies of many countries in the world. Because auto industry has enormously huge and various kinds of supporting industries underneath. Particularly, Asian countries including Japan, China, Thailand, Indonesia, Taiwan, India, and Malaysia have been developed their economies by putting auto industry at the center of their economic development strategies. Over the last few decades, Pakistan's auto sector has been shown significant impact in terms of employment and revenue generation. Local vendors accepted the challenge of producing auto parts and sub-assemblies while complying with the quality standards set by various OEMs. On the other side, local auto parts vendor industry is still lacking competitiveness in terms of quality, cost, and flexibility of manufacturing systems. Unfortunately, Pakistan has not been able to obtain maximum benefits in terms of technical know-how, production, technology, and quality control in order to upgrade the vendor base of auto sectors. Against this backdrop, SMEDA, with the support of JICA, launched a 4-year project in August 2015 for improving productivity and quality of auto parts and subsequently enhancing the localization of auto parts through 5 Japanese experts. Let me do this again. Mr. Kaneki, Mr. Sasaki, Mr. Ishitate, and Mr. Ikuta, and Mr. Sato. Let me call them 5 samurais, Japanese warriors, who have skills in their arms, knowledge in their heads, passion in their hearts, and who have plenty of experiences, having been continuously making efforts for decades to make themselves and their companies always at the first class in the world. They have devoted their 4 years in this project with a great passion to make Pakistan auto industry and its supporting industries better and more productive. Please give them a big hand. I should not repeat the overview of the project because Kaneki-san kindly explained very rightly. But during the second term, besides guiding to each target vendor company, the project added new innovative activities such as Skills Olympic competition, export development seminar, special training for support system for SMEDA and PAPAM engineer, local consultants, parts monitoring for model companies, and dojo setup. I expect that those innovative activities should be get implemented after the project termination by SMEDA, Papan, and companies for continuous upgrading of capacity of vendor companies and the skilled workers. Pakistan office is very keen to assist SME sectors for building their capacities, reducing inefficiencies, and subsequently making them more competitive in the global value chain. In the past, various initiatives have been successfully executed by JICA in collaboration with SMEDA, primarily in the field of energy efficiency and productivity of quality improvement of different sectors, including textiles, auto parts, and foundry, and etc. JICA would be pleased to continue our relations with SMEDA for such initiatives in the future for the development of SME sectors. We appreciate efforts of participating PAPA members for implementing improvement measures suggested by Japanese experts that have resulted in considerable reduction of wastages. For sustainability of projects, we are confident that various tools and methodologies introduced by the Japanese experts team during the project tenure will be carried forward effectively by the target suppliers, role model companies, and partners with the support of SMEDA. We are also grateful to SMEDA for proposing such initiative to JICA for SME development and the active involvement for smooth execution of project activities. We look forward to for more initiatives from SMEDA in the future. The project will be terminated very soon, but it is not the end of the story. The story should start from here for the future. Pakistan auto sector has enormous potential. I think that many automobile related companies are suffering from the current economic situation. But on the other hand, it should not be forgotten that this situation is a great business chance for supplier companies, while OEMs have to think about more to procure auto parts domestically. So let me share my humble dream with all of you. It is someday in the future, Pakistan will produce 2 million cars annually, 10 times as much as current figures, which is almost the same as the current production size of Thailand. Thailand, which population is 1/3 of that Pakistan. And Thailand can do, why not? Pakistan cannot do. So to make the dream come true, what you should do is continuous efforts to make your work better and productive, which is so-called Kaizen. In the end, I'd like to convey my sincere gratitude to target suppliers, SMEDA, PAPA, and JICA experts for their extraordinary efforts to this project. Thank you very much.